Hey, good morning, everyone. Today we're going to do something a little different here on Kelsey's Shenanigans Garage. You're with your host, Ron. And it's a little windy outside, a little chilly. So, as you can see, I was going to start doing the water pump on that 90-something Chevy. But didn't get there. Didn't happen. Hopefully, maybe start later this afternoon, get some content, and finish up tomorrow. But we'll see how that works. You never know how your day's going to go. But what I have for you today is from Easter Sunday out in the boondocks here in Florida. I'm not going to say exactly where it's at, but you should have a good time watching. We parked the retired police car up front and allowed these country folk to react and from the dash cam of the police car, retired police car. Yeah, we did this allegedly. Nope, we did it. So let's go forward with this, and you're going to ride along with me. I'm going to try to do some editing magic and make this live. I'm still learning, so let's do this. Let's rage, America. Right. Here's the first vehicle we got. Here we go. Oh, yep. That navigator definitely slowed down. So so far so good. Anyway, a backstory of this where we're located here is this is a 35, 40 zone tops, like 60 to 70, 75 miles per hour. So it's kind of funny to actually see him slow down. I tried to slow this down for you. I didn't do it to everyone, but we'll see how this works out. But anyways, oh, yep. This Dodge definitely respected it. Way to go. Like it, America. Right now it's super still. Early in the day here. Don't worry about the date in this video. It's not correct. Yeah, I should have probably took that off. Obviously, we're going 0. So this would be cool if we were riding around, but you don't need to donate anyway. You know it's dang Easter Sunday. Oh, got somebody else. That Chrysler 300 went right to it. Itchy nose. Oh, back to it. No shenanigans. Anywho, this is actually kind of cool. Yeah, that mailbox was recently replaced. They had someone yank it down. Country as fact. Is what it is. But see what we got. This one's kind of extended, but I hear it coming slowly but surely. Let's zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, but what do we got? Nothing there yet. All right, keep going. A beautiful day though on Easter, I'll tell you that. What do we got here? Got someone on a lawnmower? What? Probably had one too many before noon, and they need to go down to the local thrifty save. Nope. Gas station. Get some more alcohol. They ran out early. Got to prepare. Ladies and gentlemen, you got to prepare for the day. You can't be having none of that. What are all these noises? Oh, see you, buddy. Have a good day. He knows his rights. I know my rights. He'll be drinking and driving on his tractor, allegedly. We don't know that. We're just interpreting what we're seeing. I'm seeing this for the first time. Oh, actually, maybe some of it the second time, but I didn't see a lot of it. So let's keep going. Oh, it's quiet. Anyway, I got my pole barn garage hat. I got, I think last week. Go watch their YouTube page also, man. Huge fan. I have many people I support like Vice Grip, This and That Garage, Junkyard Digs, Mook, Racer X. I mean, y'all go support their page. Oh, what do we got? Oh, man, they didn't even make it to Easter. Oh, that Jeep let them down. Ferd was pulling it, though. Was doing a good job, and he slowed down. Respect the police. We all support the police. They got a job to do, all right? But yeah, on Easter Sunday, thanks to our brother-in-law, Eric, he's probably out working, not with his family. He's a police officer in Lubbock, Texas, but I really appreciate it. Thank you for your service, Eric. Oh, there's the Fern. He was like, nope, not getting a ticket on Easter, bro. Go and get me some liquor, or, maybe some of that good. Nope. Maybe. Allegedly. I don't know. Anyway, man, it's just beautiful spring here in Panhandle of Florida. Exact location not needed. Oh, another fur. Approved. We like it. Slowed down. But yeah, they would normally be racing. You'll see a few of them that are freaking renegades or outlaws. I don't know. One or the other. Each of their own. I think they're about the same thing. Well, probably we should mix some new breed behind me talking on that one. Yeah. That might be a little bit beyond my capability. We're givers a go, is what I'm saying. Oh, what we got here? We definitely slowed down a lot. Oh, don't know. But he did a great job. Respect. Oh. Yep. Forerunner. Very, very good. He's low. They were like, no. I don't want that. Oh, we have a. What is that? Ford Focus? No. Fusion? No. Definitely a small SUV. That guy? Don't worry about that little guy. All right, we missed him. What do we got? What do we got? I have another Ford. Is that a Ford? Or is that a Toyota? Y'all tell me what you think. Oh, we're getting brighter. This must be afternoon now. So let's see what shenanigans we can get. Oh, they're coming. Oh, yeah, there we go. Slow down. Is he missing the front of the car? I'll be dang, son. Oh, they're spicing it up. We gotta be watching some Joe Dirt later. Oh, any Hooser way? Nice brake job. They were flying too. I saw that one, man. They were letting it eat. They were probably doing 65, 70, and they let that thing eat before that evergreen tree. Like, boop. Good lights there. Nice job. Applied. Oh, there you go. Definitely out in the country. We got that side by side. He normally flies by, so he's doing excellent work there. Thank you. Got kids out on Easter hunting. It's very much appreciated. Like I said, we respect the police a lot. Don't take this the wrong way. But we did not do anything too crazy. No lights this was just presenting what we had, and it worked out great. Oh, 90-something Chevy. What do we got here? Oh, this is actually us coming back from the store. We had to get some supplies. You know what I'm saying? But that's a 2000-something Chevy. I don't think Oliver Anthony didn't sing that one, but we'll work with it. We ain't here to sing, though. Oh, there's a bird. Oh, yep. Blazer respects it. Slowed down. Very nice. Keep that up. Keeping it up. Yeah, we tried not to make this too long. Not everybody can make the cut. There was some fine vehicles, but they were actually doing the right thing. So you can only get the ones. And these are slowed down, by the way. Some of these are about a lot. Yeah, this guy was flying. You see those lights? He's probably doing about 60 miles per hour. That was at about 40% less speed. Same with this guy. That was only 25. So he was going about 55. So a little better, but people let it eat on this country road. Say, country roads, take me home to a place where I belong. All right, back to it. We're getting distracted. We're just doing geez. Oh, that bird joining the party. It's like, what up, y'all? What up? Oh. Is that the police? Oh boy, I'm gonna go tell my bro's gone. He gone. Gonna get, bird. You don't want none of that. All right. What we got next? Oh, Crown Vic. Could it be PPV? They could have taken it down to a civilian look. A little fast there, guy or lady. Good job slowing down though. 2 thumbs up. Oh, what do we got here? Some more speeders. This was actually slowed down by 40%. They were going fast. You can see their lights on. They were going about 55, 60. Respectable amount. Oh yeah, this guy. I think we've seen him already. Doing it again. I don't know how he went. Then he went again. Maybe it's 2 different trucks. I don't know. I'm just saying it looks to be the same what we've already saw. Likely. Dirt roads, probably came around, saw some family, dropped something, picked somebody up. Oh, very good. You see that? Very nice. That Toyota Avalon be creeping. Mr. Eric Church, be proud of him. Oh, got to do pulling his lawnmower. I'll be dang. He was a little fast, not too much. He's a little over 50, I think. He was only slowed down by about 20%, so he's much better. But I wanted to make the cut, country life. Do those things. Oh, this guy slowed down by 50. This Crocs track was letting her eat. Full sended. 65, 70, easy. But he respected it. He laid it down to a part. This guy too, 20%. This guy just got caught in the crossfire. But he was pretty reasonable speed. This guy too, but we just let it record. Still both all a little fast on that one, but not that bad. Improved. Keep that up. Country boys will survive. That slowed down by 35. He's only doing about 50, 55. Still too fast, and he had the lights on, so we added it. Like I said, this guy was eating it pretty good. He was breaking his neck. Like he had something. He's like... She was, slow down, Cletus. Slow down, Burner. It's the police. Nope. But we'll take it, We got safety first. Oh, this was just a sweet ride. We just put this one on there. Good job, bro. Whoever that is, comment below if you're watching. Nice ride. Oh, yeah, this guy was actually going pretty fast. Slow down for expedition. Axed. No, we were drinking beer, so we were just having a good time. This is funny. We were all over here. You might even hear us chuckling at all this. We're over here just having a good time with the family, having some brews. Oh, country life, red on white, digging it. That's approved. I'm just saying, a little quick though, buddy. Just slow down, and he did. He had his lights on. He made the cut. All right, what we got next? Beautiful day. Look at them clouds ripping by. Oh, mud tires approved. A little fast, but I actually just wanted you to hear those mud tires on a country road. Sounded good. Very nice. Get her done. All right, what's next? What we got? I don't know. Me and you're watching this. I cut it, and I'm playing it way too fast. I didn't slow that down at all. He was letting it eat. I think he was the fastest. He was our outlaw of the day. We need to start doing this. Parking. Get our outlaw renegade of the day. He made it. Good job, buddy. That cross track probably would have been if I would have slowed it down. Oh, going fast. A little bit fast there, bro. Slow down, Toyota. Slow down.